This is far more severe than anybody ever thought it would be. And it's a very sad day, certainly, whenever we see something like this happen.
Arizona hitting a grim milestone today. 1 million COVID-19 cases diagnosed since the pandemic began 19 months ago.
It really is an unbelievable number. And now the state's pandemic response has new leadership. Don Herrington takes over Monday as Arizona's interim public health director. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Mark Curtis.
And I'm Kariba Devine. The leadership changes coming after the departure of longtime public health director Dr. Kara Christ.
Team 12's Bram Resnick has more on what could turn out to be the most significant addition to the state's pandemic response. Bram?
Yeah, former U.S. Surgeon General Richard Carmona is being brought in as a kind of secret weapon to boost the state's lagging vaccination rates. At the same time, there is a national search for a permanent health director.
Don Herrington says he learned about public health on the job.
And having the experts around me that can advise me and talk to me and walk me through things has been a great help.
Herrington's a widely praised administrator at Arizona's Department of Health Services. Starting Monday, he'll take over as the state's top public health official in the midst of a third COVID-19 wave.
We need to keep our efforts committed to attacking this disease.
The focus, Arizona's lagging vaccination rate. Less than half of all Arizonans, 48%, are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. That's below the national rate of 52%. And that's where Richard Carmona comes in.
His national reputation as a Surgeon General is going to open some doors.
The plan is for the former U.S. Surgeon General and U.S. Senate candidate to use his clout and connections to persuade hesitant Arizonans to get their shots.
If we can get everybody on the same page that it's safe and that it's necessary to curb this disease, I think that will be the best thing he can do, and I think he's an excellent person to do that.
For the last few months, Carmona has been helping the University of Arizona with its pandemic plan. According to a DHS spokesman, Carmona has a 4-month contract with the state agency that pays $400 an hour when he does state work. In Phoenix, Bram Resnick, 12 News.
Bram, thanks.